Good morning, friends. Pre-market is done. So, Bank Nifty is opening minus 57 points. So, for today trade, I'll be selecting strike prices of 35,300 CE and 35,800 PE. So, these are the two strike prices I'm going to select. 35,300. I'll update in my Telegram channel. 35,300 CE and 35,800. So this is my free channel NS Smart Trade Option, NS Smart Options Trade. So where I'll be giving levels every day. So market is going to be open. So let's see. So I'm updating level 35,800 PE buy above 500 SL 450 targets 550 600 650. So let me put order. So I've placed order and I'll give CE also. 35,300 CE buy above 550 SL 500 target 600 650 700. So this is for today trades levels. Finally entry. So this is entry. Target 1. see. So I made 496, so trade is not triggered. So I'll put CA order also. So that will give 550. Currently 35 800 PE, trading at 483 484 between. So it looks like it's going to be trigger almost 495 499. Yes, trade is triggered. PE trade triggered at 500. Let me keep first stop loss 450. So now running at 512, 500 above. So I made 516. See what is happening. Good. Going out favor. So let me put modify one lot for 550. So first target is done. So 50 points is done. Remaining positions, let me trial it to cost, that is 500. $550 first target done. So now running a high made around 537. 537. No, triple five. High made is triple five. Yes, this is the one correct. Friend, this is my free Telegram channel where I'm giving everyday levels and everyday, stop losses and target and entry price. What is the strike price you need to select? So all these things will be mentioned in this free Telegram channel. I'm not charging any single rupee also. So if you want to get this kind of updates, like getting first target done within a 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 10 minutes. So if you want to get this kind of profit 50 points, 100 points in a day, please subscribe to my Telegram channel. So link will be given in description. Friends, now currently running at 540. So hoping that second target also it is going to be done. Yeah, nice actually, very nice, 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 nice. 554, 557 is a high. Guys, taking right entry is always good. Okay, it is not just buying and selling. Taking entry is very actually it should be a perfect one. Then only you can save your capital. You can get the profit. So if you are taking wrong entry by looking at green candle or red candle, again stop loss will hit, end up losing money only. So I hope my people will made in first target itself. So few profits. I'm sure that. So I'll be posting that screenshots also in my Telegram. If I get it now, so I can show it now itself. If not, after market, so I can post it. So running at 533. Let me pause sometime. Now running at 534, so around 2000 rupees profit. I have taken just two lots only, so not much exposure. So one member made 2500. Good. So position is closed. Trailing stop loss hit. So 1226 rupees small profit with the two lots. Friends, one member made 17,428 within 10 minutes. That's the power of level what I am giving. So if you want to get this kind of profits, please subscribe to my free Telegram channel where you will get free tips. There is one more member 4,872. This is a very good profit actually. with the first target of 50 points. Just think friends, 50 points also makes you a lot of money actually. It is not 100 200 points where you look at. If you look at only 50 points per day also, you can make your investment double in 1 month. So just think. So friends, today trade is closed, so we'll be winding up. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe my free channel NS Smart Options Trade. Link will be given in description. Thank you so much friends.